Chapter 3. How much can you carry? Let's start one story. The clever donkey and his heavy sack. The clever donkey and his heavy sack. Clever means होशियार, heavy means भार, sack means कोथड़ो. Let's start the story. Sandeep has a donkey. It carries sack full of salt on its back. In picture, a boy name is Sandeep. He has a donkey. On donkey's back there is a sack. Inside the sack it has salt. Salt means mithu. Next. On the way to the market they have to cross a river. Both Sandeep and donkey were going to market. To reach market, first they have to cross a river. So this is river. One day while crossing the river, donkey slipped and fell into the river. Here, while crossing the river, donkey slipped and he fell into the river. When it got up, the sack felt very light. Guess why the sack felt very lighter? Because the sack of the salt dissolved in river, so the donkey felt lighter. Crossing the river, donkey slipped into the river. On his back there was sack of salt. Sack of salt dissolved in the river, so donkey felt lighter. Dissolved means salt easily mixed into the water. Next. Donkey was very happy. This also gave it an idea. Donkey was very happy and donkey got an idea. Next day, while crossing the river, the clever donkey decided to take a dip. Here, next day, again they both were going to market. To reach market, they have to cross a river. Here, donkey got an idea. He decided to take a dip inside the river. This time Sandeep understood the donkey's trick. Here, a Sandeep come to know that donkey was playing a trick. Let me teach it a lesson. Here, Sandeep come to know all the tricks played by the donkey. So he told himself that he will teach a lesson to the donkey. Next day, Sandeep put sack of woolen cloth in place of salt. Here, Sandeep got an plan. Next day, Sandeep put sack of woolen cloth in place of salt. Here, Sandeep had a plan. He put sack of woolen cloth in place of salt. Now, what would happen to the donkey when it dipped into the river? Why? The sack of woolen cloth became heavy on absorbing water, so donkey felt heavier. Here, Sandeep had put sack of woolen cloth in place of salt. So, what would happen if donkey dip into the river? Here, sack of woolen cloth will become heavy because it absorbs all water, so donkey felt heavier. Let's move to the next concept. Raju wants to ride a shisha. Raju need a friend to ride a shisha. In this picture, a boy name is Raju and this is shisha. Here, one side Raju was sitting, on other side No one. So Raju need a friend to ride a seesaw. Rani comes to help Raju, but still Raju cannot ride it. In this picture, a girl name is Rani. She came to help Raju, but Raju cannot ride it. Can you tell why? Circle the correct answer. Raju is heavier or lighter than Rani? Answer is Raju is heavier than Rani. Aslam comes to help them. Look at the picture. A boy name is Aslam. He came to help both Rani and Raju. Can you tell why the seesaw turned this way? Raju is heavier or lighter than Rani and Aslam together? Here, Raju is lighter than Rani and Aslam together. I have an idea. Let me keep my bag with me. Raju said that he had one idea. He will keep with him a bag. So this is a bag. We all enjoy the ride. So at last they all three enjoyed a ride of seesaw. Next concept, heavier or lighter. Which of the two things will make the seesaw go down? Look at the example. In this picture, there are fruits. In first, it's watermelon. Second one, an orange. So, from this both, which things will make the seesaw go down? Yes, watermelon. Draw a line to match the heavier one. First a pot, second a bottle. From this, which things make a seesaw go down? A pot. Draw a line to match the heavier one. First one is a glasses. Second one a jug. From this, which one is a heavier? Line to match the heavier one. First picture a mug. Second picture a bucket. Bucket is heavier, so match it. Color the one which is lighter. A tennis ball, a football. From these two ball, which one is a lighter? Tennis ball is a lighter, so color it. Next, color the one which is lighter. First picture school bag, second one geometric box. So from this, which one is lighter? Yes, geometric box. So color it. Next, Chotu monkey and the carrots. Chicky and Mickey rabbit saw a bag. It had a carrot in it. So first rabbit name is Chicky. Second rabbit name is Mickey. They both saw a bag full of carrot. Chicky and Mickey started fighting. Both rabbit, Chicky and Mickey, they both start fighting with each other. Chotu monkey came to help them. A monkey name is Chotu. Chotu came to help Chicky and Mickey. Why he came? Because they both, Chicky and Mickey, were fighting. Why they are fighting? They are fighting for a bag full of carrot. Chotu monkey came to help them. Chotu asked, "Can I help you?" Both Chicky and Mickey told their problem. "We want to share the carrots equally between us, but some carrots are big and some small. What do we do?" Chicky and Mickey, they discussed their problem with Chotu. They told they have a bag full of carrots. They have confusion in mind how to distribute carrots in equal way. Why? Because some carrots are small and some carrots are big. So, Chotu monkey brought some things to help them. Guess and tell what Chotu monkey used to help Chicky and Mickey. Draw a picture of it in the monkey's hand. So tell the students what Chotu had brought to help a Chicky and Mickey. Let's see. Chotu monkey brought bean balance to help Chicky and Mickey. Your parents buy carrots for the family. How much do they buy at one time? Here you may know your parents are going to market and buy some things. Suppose your parents buy a carrots. How much they can buy? It may be 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg. It's depend on them. Next. How does the vegetable seller weights the carrots? In picture, a man is selling a vegetable. In basket there are different vegetables. So can you tell in which way he can weight the vegetable? So he can weight the vegetable with help of bean balance. Next, how much can Simran carry? Let's start. Simran's father needs to move some things from the store of their house to the kitchen. Simran wants to help her father. So in the picture you can see a girl name is Simran and he is Simran's father. Here Simran's father moving some things from store of their house to kitchen. So Simran wants to help her father. So there are many things in the store house like flour, rice, ghee, packet of biscuits, dal, cooking oil, salt, etc. Give answers to the questions. Guess which bag Simran can carry. Simran can carry salt, ghee and cooking oil. So this is a packet of salt and this is a ghee and this is a cooking oil. Next. Guess who can carry what? A. Her father. Her father can carry rice and atta. So a rice, atta. Atta means a flour. Next, her mother. Her mother can carry sugar and dal. This is a sugar packet and this is a dal packet. Next, C. Younger sister. Her younger sister can carry nothing. Simran carry any two of these bags together? If yes, which one? Yes, Simran can carry a bag of salt and a container of ghee together. So, a bag of salt, a container of ghee. Bag can you carry? Guess. And told. I can carry a grain of sugar bigger than myself. Next, match the picture of the animal with the things it can carry. Match the picture of an animal with the things it can carry. So here some pictures are given, some animal, bird, and some things are given. So let's see. A crow, an elephant, a donkey, a puppy. Next, below, a ball, a packet of sugar, a log, a leaf. Let's match it. A crow can carry a leaf. An elephant can carry log. Donkey can carry packet of sugar. A puppy can carry a ball.